In this short tutorial, I will show you how to bold text in WhatsApp. Bold text is a great way to emphasize important messages and make them stand out from the rest of the conversation. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the chat where you want to send bold text. To bold text in WhatsApp, simply put an asterisk before and after the text you want to make bold. For example, if you want to write hello in bold, type it just like this. When you send the message, the text will appear bold to your recipient. Using bold text can help you convey your message more effectively and ensure that it gets noticed among other messages in a chat. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.